Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Dennis. So this week's video is a house renovation because I've been busy doing a whole bunch of stuff. We decided to take the kitchen, redo it, and I think we made some good choices. Have a look, tell me what you think, and if you got any updates or anything you want to suggest, put it in the comments. Maybe you'll see it in another video. Or if you want to see something down the road, put that in the comments. Here's a look at what we've done. So different color, different knobs, coffee bar. A winky light. And a new table. Alright everybody, so that's it. That's the renovation. If you like it, well, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, well, that's okay too. Leave a comment if you have anything you want to say, good or bad, about what you think about it, what I could do to maybe improve it. If you think there's something there, yeah, I'll welcome your comments. And if you want to see something in the future, tech related, not a kitchen redo. And by the way, we didn't replace everything. We just resurfaced everything. It's a different technique. It's not painted. We didn't want to paint it because that can peel. But we took the cupboards off, redesigned and stuff like that. So it took a long time. So yeah, anyway. If you like the video, hit that big old thumbs up. If you're new here, think about subscribing. And as always, hit that bell for notifications for videos as they come up in the future. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care.